Hello, we are Drone C. Today we will review the most purchased drone on AliExpress, Eachine E58. Externally, Eachine E58 is similar to the Mavic Pro. However, the drone is only $50 and we believe that it's one of the most budget-friendly good drones out there. Other than its great price point, this drone also offers a folding design. There are a few nuances that we would like to discuss, so let's jump right in. First, let's take a look at the package. Your purchase will include the drone itself, batteries, a screwdriver, a USB cable, propellers, screws, protectors, and a remote controller. Moving on, let us run down some of the technical specifications of your new drone. The functionality includes a headless mode, 6-axis gyroscope, barometer, Wi-Fi module, SD module for recording video and photos, and camera with 2MP or 0.3 MP quality. Time for this drone is 7 to 9 minutes, while the charging time of a single battery can take almost an hour. In our test of the drone, we have found that it's able to fly and be controlled well only in completely calm weather. Even the presence of slight wind complicated the drone's control process. This is caused due to the small potential of the control motors, because the thrust that they generate seems to not be enough for a confident flight in conditions of even minor winds. Eachine E58 speed indicators regulate 3 modes: 50, 60 and 100 PSI. These modes can be alternated between the pressing of the button on the remote control, as well as by changing them through the menu of the GUI UFO application, iOS and Android. To enjoy FPV flight, the camera works in a compartment with a Wi-Fi video transmitter, broadcasting a picture from the camera at the frequency of 2.4 GHz. This can be immediately considered a significant disadvantage, since the frequency of the video link coincides with the frequency of radio control. The disadvantage of this condition is usually always the same: poor quality FPV and extremely short distance range of control. The stated distance of FPV removal in the specifications is 30 meters. However, in practice, this distance proved itself to be only half as long. This quadcopter is powered by a single bank, 3.7 volts lithium polymer battery with a capacity of 500 mAh. The battery itself is placed in a plastic box-like modern UC of the premium segment without any wires or pucks. According to the specifications, the flight time should be within the interval of 7 to 9 minutes. In practice, we found that the flight time was at maximum 7 minutes in FPV mode and 8 minutes with one remote control. Consumption at 30% with video recording disabled. You will be warned about low battery clearly when the 2 white leads in the front and 1 red lead in the back start flashing simultaneously. To sum up our review, we want to quickly run through the pros and cons of the drone. Okay, first the positives. Cool appearance, the feature to add up the race sizes, the high quality of workmanship, 2 megapixels video camera, stable and manageable control in calm weather, decent altitude halt functionality in calm, functionality for auto, functions for auto takeoff and landing, good flight time, and a cheap price. Cons: low FPV signal quality, short distance of removal in FPV mode, incorrect camera angle, fragile main propellers, unsupported auto-rotation of the screen in the phone application, low FPV signal quality. Okay, that's all. And if you have liked this drone, we will include these links down in the description below for you to acquire one of your own Eachine E58. Additionally, if you like this video, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to the channel for more quality content all about drones. Stay safe and happy droning!